Okay, I got in their lobby and tried to play them again, and apparently they were trying to start up third map on my team, and they wouldn't let them do that. So I tried to sign into Xbox, and that is the code I got. So I don't know if you guys pay attention to that, or if that means anything in particular, but I'm going to try to sign in again. And there's a time for my last video that I made that telling you that they're probably going to flood me again and keep me off. But, it said some cannot be, so let me sign out and sign back in really quick just to see if it's back to normal or not. It was just way too obvious how this happens. I never time out, and then they get 6-0'd, get ready to start second map, and then time me out, try to wait the 5 minutes, and then start third map. Like, too obvious. Still taking forever, and that happens. So they're still keeping me off. I don't know, I'm probably just going to turn off my Xbox and wait for them to give up on it. So I'm gonna end the video here, and don't give them the win. They don't deserve it. They got 6-0'd when they're too obvious that they flooded me. So thank you.